Hello students, welcome to Sure Success classes. Our topic is subtraction. In this, generally we subtract any smaller number from bigger number in this way. 74 minus 21. Here we will subtract this 1 from 4, we will get 3, and in this column we will subtract 2 from 7, we will get 5. Means we will get difference between two numbers in subtraction. There are some alternative methods for subtracting this type of numbers. First method is by breaking one number. Our first method is by breaking one number. Here we will break this smaller number in tens and ones. So let's start. 67 minus 20 minus 4. We will break this 24 into 20 and 4. Then we will minus this 20 from 67. We will get 47 minus 4. So our answer will be 43. Here we will break this 35 into 30 and 5. If you see here, these numbers having minus sign because we are subtracting the smaller number from bigger number. So 76 minus 30, we will get 46 minus 5. So our answer will be 41. Then we will see this example. 86 minus, how do we break this number? Yes, 50 minus 4. 86 minus 50, we will get 36 minus 4. So our answer will be 32. In this way we can solve this type of examples. Next method is by breaking both numbers. Here we will break both bigger and smaller number. So let's start. 84 means 80 plus 4, and 32, we will break this 32 into 30 and 2. Then we will minus this 30 from 80, we will get 50, and this 2 from this 4, we will get 2. 50 plus 2, we will get 52. Our answer will be 52. Then we will see this example. 96 minus 51. Here we will break both the numbers. 90 plus 6 and 50 minus 1. Minus this 50 from 90, we will get 40, and 1 from this 6, we will get 5. So our answer will be 45. Then next example is 79 minus 54. We will break this 79 into 70 plus 9 and 54 into 50 minus 4. Then minus this 50 from 70, we will get 20, and here we will get 5. So our answer will be 25. In this way you can solve this type of examples. Let's go for next method by making smaller number a multiple of 10. Here we will go through example, and in this method we have to adjust both the numbers in this way so that the smaller number will be the multiple of 10. See, we will solve this example. Here we will add 3 in both the numbers. 57 plus 3. Then we will get here 66 minus 60. So our answer will be 6. Then we will solve this example. 81 minus 34. Here we will add 6 in both the numbers. 81 plus 6 minus 34 plus 6. 81 plus 6, 87, minus 34 plus 6, 40. So our answer will be 47. Then Another example is 95 minus 46. Here we will add 4 in both the numbers. 95 plus 4 minus 46 plus 4. Here we will get 99 minus 50. 99 minus 50, we will get 49. In this way we can solve these type of examples. Students, remember one thing, we have added these numbers in smaller number to make the smaller number multiple of 10. Our next method is by making smaller number a multiple of 100. Here we will break smaller number or adjust both the numbers in this way so that the smaller number will become multiple of 100. Here if we see here, if we add 4 in both the numbers, then this 96 will become multiple of 100. Then we will add 4 in both the numbers. So we will get here 258 and here 100. Then we will minus this 100 or subtract this 100 from 258. We will get to 158. So our answer will be 158. Our next example is 307 minus 93. Here we will add 7 in both the numbers, so this number will become multiple of 100. 307 plus 7 minus 93 plus 7. Here we will get 314 minus 100. So our answer will be 214. Let's see this example, 189 minus 104. Here we have to minus 4 from both the numbers to make the smaller number multiple of 100. 189 minus 4 and 104 minus 4. Here we will get 185 minus 100. So our answer will be 85. In this way we can solve this type of examples.